In this video we will see how to do mis-tie correction in Geospace software. In case you have mis-ties in your 2D lines, it could be needed to add corrections for proper horizons and faults correlation. To start the analysis, go to the mis-tie bar and click on the Add the mis-tie Views button. After that, a new workspace will be created. Set this workspace the way you want. For this video, I will do as you see on the screen. This workspace has three main view types. Cross Points table contains all the intersections and all the phase and time shifts. Set of views where you can see four possible sections of the current intersection point. Location map where you can see the currently selected intersection and where you can visualize time and phase shifts. Now you can shift seismic data using your left mouse button. Just drag up or down part of the section you want to shift. Shift value will be added to the Cross Points table. To clear shift, click by right mouse button on the section. To add phase rotation, put the value to the Cross Point table. Once you finished, choose Next Intersection on the location map, or using Cross Points table. If you finish with some intersections, you can mark them like checked by mouse double-click on that box. Checked intersections will be highlighted on the map by green color. The second way to reduce seismic data mis-ties is to use automatic calculation of time shifts. At first, input some settings on the mis-tie seismic bar. This is the settings for comparing lines using cross-correlation function of its traces. Next settings block let you to determine the maximum time shift could be added and choose the distance for computing the average trace which will be used for comparing. Also here located threshold value as a parameter for adding traces from chosen distance to average. This option turns on applying shifts on the data. The second option let you to minimize shifts for lines which have specific azimuth. This option can be useful if you have dip horizons. In this case, migration can give better results for the lines which has its azimuth aligned to the dip direction. Next settings let you to choose method of shifts calculation and its minimization, including 3 least squares algorithms that can help you find the optimal solution with minimum shifts for all lines. Here you can skip from calculations intersections you marked as checked. And the lower checkbox determine if shifts will be only visualized on the location map or applied on the data at once. The last settings section let you to choose mis-ties will be visualized on the location map, time or phase, and threshold value to stop the binding process. If you have several seismic groups like processing groups, you can set the priority of using them by this button. Once all settings are set, you can start shifts calculations on the one intersection or across all of them. When you launch the process across all the lines, Cross Points table will be filled with shifts values. On the location map, you can see the misfits points. Misfits points will be colored according to its values. It's all the basic information about mis-ties correction in Geospace software. For more information or to download your evaluation copy of Geospace, please visit us at geomage.com.